Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Hello. Ito na tayo relax muna tayo dahil tayo nasa movie time with JC. Di ba? May free drinks. Di ba? Mamaya may surprise daw. Let's see. Ano pwede mangyari ngayon dito? Grabe. Only with JC. Free seating.
You can occupy the chairs without names. Free seating po tayo except for those na may mga pangalan mo.
Ganito kasarap mag-JC.
Open or drink. The bottles na
sarap
nakalagay po.
mag-sine, no?
Ay, opo, sobrang libre.
Libre sine, oh. May drinks ka pa, oh. Grabe naman. Grabe. Drop shipping lang, oh. Ganito lang kami. Tapos,
wow! And if you are a coffee lover na gusto mag-healthy, JC also has something for you. JC Classic Coffee.
Ginagawa nyo ngayon dyan. Dito ko, pa-relax lang muna. Kailangan mo na mag-relax kapag sine man lang minsan. Congratulations, Dong, sa inyong movie. At yung mga co-actors, nandyan din, si Bernie. Congratulations, Father. Ikaw pala, pare dyan, ha.
JC Choco Bar. Take note. JC Organic Bar is 100%
Dami mong papasok.
trusted, proven, effective.
Salamat po, Boss Joe, Boss Carl, JC Familia. Maraming salamat po. GM Joanna, Coach TR, diba? Team JC.
Get your JC Organic Bar
Solid.
at shop their great in your neighborhood.
Enjoy lang tayo dito.
Good life with
Direct Jello. Hello.
Evening po, sa mga kakarating pa lang po, you can occupy the chairs without names. Free seating po tayo except for those na may mga
Sini-sini muna tayo
pangalan
dito.
po. And also, please do not touch, open, or drink the bottles na nakalagay po sa inyong upuan. That's our surprise for later.
Surprise
Thank you so
daw.
much.
Audience muna tayo dito. Sarap maging audience, eh. Daming tao. Whoop whoop. Melvin, musta? Long time no see.
With JC Organic Morning Juice, meron itong 68 micronutrients na kailangan ng ating katawan. It is 25 times richer in potassium than banana, 11 times richer in calcium than milk,
Ilan tayo?
7 times richer in vitamins than orange, 5 times richer in iron than spinach, and 2 times richer in beta-carotene than carrot. Ikaw na, sabihin mo yun, diba? Araw ito, pero
Doing JC. Salamat po, Boss Joe, Boss Carl, sa lahat-lahat. Sure, jam soon lang kaso. Sabi mo kung saan at kailan, jamming na.
Kakarating pa lang po, you can occupy the chairs without
With JC, with drop shipping, ganito lang gagawin mo. May movie ka na. Libre movie, may drinks ka pa ng barley. Sarap! Welcome to the good life, diba?
And that's our surprise for later. Thank you so much.
Sa Sabado, magkita-kita po tayo sa BCO. Anong oras, Coach? 2 p.m. BCO natin?
Yes po, 2 p.m. po.
Yeah. Yun, no? 2 p.m. Kita-kita tayo sa Binyan. JC Binyan. Let's go. Kita-kita tayo soon. Relax ka lang sa buhay, di ba? Ang dami, oh. Dami nanonood. Dami pang freebies, oh. Yun, oh. Yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Joke lang. Boss, thank you. Salamat po. Mamaya, balitaan kita. Grabe. Ito si Coach Jim. Grabe, taga-Olonga po pa to. Grabe, free cinema. O, di ba? Grabe yan. Paturo nga ako dito. Eh. Galing yan.
Naka-live ka mo.
Oo naman. See you later. Manonood muna kami ng movie. Relax. See a movie. Yeah. Love you all. Later.